Angel Finance Academy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Angel Finance Academy. Today's video is going to be a deep dive into 10 incredible side hustles for stay-at-home moms and dads. We'll explore how each one works and provide examples to inspire you. So let's jump right in.
You know who made you.
Built into the term side hustle is that this is work to be done on the side or alongside some other higher priority assignment. For stay-at-home moms and dads, the side hustle is work you can do alongside parenting. Parenting-friendly side hustles are location and time flexible, so you can remain at home and manage your work tasks around school calendars, napping schedules, and other child-rearing responsibilities. The benefits of a side hustle include extra income, hands-on work to keep your career from stalling, and a chance to maintain your connections to professional colleagues. How do you find substantive, paid, professional work that still leaves you bandwidth for your parenting responsibilities? Here are 10 side hustles for stay-at-home moms and dads. Number 1. Work for a previous employer. Previous employers already know you and hopefully like and trust your work performance. So if they have an opening and know you're in the job market, previous employers may be the easiest people to convince to hire you. This gets you working more quickly than looking for a job among strangers. It's deliberate that I haven't specified a particular job, just a general recommendation to work for a previous employer. Don't only target previous roles you've held. Figure out where the company has a need. In targeting previous employers, you're selling them on your shared history together. Since you already know the company culture, the processes, and maybe even key colleagues and clients, you can jump in and contribute right away. Previous employers can tap you for seasonal help, extra hands on a project, or other time of ad hoc help, which you can structure to fit the location and time flexibility you need. Number 2. Share your specialized expertise. As you look back on your career, previous employers are just one asset you build over time. You also have developed specialized expertise, such as industry knowledge, e.g., financial services, media, experience with a particular size of company, e.g., Fortune 50 companies, fast-growth startups, or relationships with particular types of clients, e.g., government agencies, nonprofits. You could be a valuable consultant or advisor to employers who need your expertise. For example, one coaching client, who held various mid-level management roles with large pharmaceutical companies over his career, developed a side hustle advising smaller biotech companies on how to joint venture with big pharma. Another coaching client, who developed significant project management expertise as an internal auditor, used her expertise in hiring and building out teams to create a career coaching side hustle for project analysts on how to get hired. If you have a unique skill or knowledge in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses using platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Number 3. Use general skills desirable in a range of jobs. Your marketing experience might be in partnerships specifically, but day-to-day you honed your research, writing, client management, and other general skills that are needed in non-marketing jobs. By all means, target jobs in your field if you prefer, but also look at jobs outside your former industries and roles. Since your ultimate goal is a side hustle that enables you to be a stay-at-home parent, e.g., remote, matches your time availability. Cast a wide net about the range of jobs that fit the parenting-first criteria. Instead of just searching out marketing opportunities, target research jobs, writing projects, client-facing roles, or other jobs that use your skills. Whether or not they're part of the marketing department or even at a company that prioritizes marketing. By considering your general skills and not just titles you've held before or similar roles, you greatly expand the potential universe of jobs. To brainstorm on possible jobs to look for, think of your top skill, e.g., research, and then brainstorm industries, e.g., consulting firms, think tanks, manufacturing, R&D facilities, universities that use that skill. As you look at the relevant career pages to get more specifics on types of opportunities that focus on research, You'll get a better sense for specific titles and keywords to further your search. Many companies look for versatile skills. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Freelancer offer opportunities for general skills like graphic design, social media management, and more. Number 4. Tap your natural talents. Does organizing come naturally to you? Are you numbers-oriented by default? Do you have that affable personality that seems to get along with everyone? Similar to spotlighting general skills in your background, think about jobs that tap into your natural talents for organizing, working with numbers, dealing with people, etc. If you're that partnerships marketer, you might have a specific superpower of dealing with people at all levels and with varying personalities and temperaments. Consider looking at any people-facing role, whether it's related to marketing or not, e.g., customer care, inside sales, survey taking. If you're not sure what your superpower is, think about what comes effortlessly to you that other people have to work at. Or think about what friends and colleagues ask you for advice about. They're telling you what you're known for. Number 5. Build a job around your interests. Parenting is difficult enough without adding more work that you might not totally love. If you're worried about having the mental or emotional bandwidth for a side hustle, consider picking something that you already love to do. For example, if you love books, look at jobs at publishing houses, bookstores, libraries, and other book-centric employers. If you know authors, see if they're hiring a researcher, copy editor, or even personal assistant, depending on what skills and expertise you have to offer. Similar to starting with your skills or natural talents, regardless of your previous professional background, building a job around your interests expands the universe of openings. You're not just focused on what you did before, but rather what you like doing now. Then brainstorm all the different ways you can contribute, e.g., skills and expertise you already have, what you're willing to learn. So you identify multiple ways of getting involved with something you already love doing. By building a job around your interests or hobbies, you turn your passion into profit. Whether it's photography, crafting, or gaming, explore platforms like Instagram, Etsy, or Twitch to build a business around what you love. Number 6. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to share your knowledge and earn extra income. Platforms like tutor.com and Chegg connect you with students seeking help in various subjects. Number 7. E-commerce entrepreneurship. Ever dreamt of having your own online store? Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage finds, or drop shipping, platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon allow you to turn your passion into profit. Side hustle number 8. Freelance writing. If words are your forte, freelance writing might be for you. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect writers with clients looking for blog posts, articles, and copywriting services. Side hustle number 9. Virtual assistants. Organized and detail-oriented, become a virtual assistant. Help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. Check out platforms like Time, etc., and Belay for opportunities. Side hustle number 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer various products to promote and earn from. There you have it, 10 incredible side hustles with examples to inspire you. Whether you're looking to make extra cash or build a thriving business, there's a side hustle for everyone. Any of these side hustles, built from your interests, tapping a natural talent, using general skills, sharing specialized expertise, or working with a previous employer, can be either a traditional employment job, where you join the payroll, or a freelance, temporary, or consulting opportunities, where you're paid as an independent contractor, paid by an agency, or on company payroll but for a limited time. It's important to keep both these types of opportunities in mind so you give potential employers multiple different ways to work with you. You also look for a wide variety of jobs, not just online postings, which are mostly traditional employment or agency-sponsored, but the hidden job market of unposted jobs. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with anyone who might benefit. Subscribe for more in-depth guides and tips on financial success. Angel Finance Academy signing off. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with anyone who might benefit. Subscribe for more in-depth guides and tips on financial success. Angel Finance Academy signing off. Remember, your financial journey begins here. Until next time, happy hustling.